So one of the things that happens by default on a website is that if you go to a directory that doesn't have an index.html file or something similar to it, you just get a listing of all the files in the directory. But you probably don't want that to happen at your WordPress site. So for instance, here I am at my demo site, and if I go to wp//content, right, and uploads, I know there's a folder there. That's where the uploads take place. And I go to it and look what I get. I get a directory listing, right? And there's 2018. There's some stuff in there. These are my images. I just don't want people poking around in this stuff. And there are all sorts of other directories in there that they can also see listings to. And since WordPress has a preset directory structure, wp-content, wp-includes, and all of that, you don't want people poking around. But it's really easy to restrict access to this. So here is my FTP app. I'm just looking at my files on my server. It's the top level of that site. And there's the .htaccess file. So you go into that, and all I have in there is the default .htaccess that WordPress makes, which is fine. It makes WordPress work. But I'm going to add one line to it. I'm going to put it at the beginning. It's just options space -indexes with a capital I, just like this. Simple. When I add that, and I'll save the .htaccess file, now if I try to look at this directory, this is what I get. I get my 404 page. Right? So it doesn't work. And I can't view just empty directories or directories that don't have an index.html file. It's definitely something you want to do with every WordPress site that you've got, basically.